Welcome back to our channel, gardening enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into one of the most important aspects of having a beautiful and productive garden: maintenance. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned gardener, knowing how to care for your garden can make all the difference. So let's get started and learn how to maintain your garden at home like a pro. First things first, watering. It might sound simple, but how you water your plants plays a huge role in their health. Here's a quick tip. Always water your garden early in the morning or late in the evening to avoid water evaporation due to heat. Deep watering is key, meaning you should water the soil around your plants, not the leaves. This encourages strong root growth. If you're using a hose, make sure to water gently, allowing the moisture to soak in slowly. And if you're dealing with potted plants, they need more frequent watering, as containers tend to dry out faster. Next up, pruning and deadheading. Pruning isn't just about keeping your plants neat, it helps improve air circulation, encourages new growth, and prevents diseases. Remove any dead or diseased branches, especially from fruiting plants. And don't forget to deadhead your flowers. This means snipping off the faded blooms to keep your plants looking fresh and promote more flowering. When pruning, always use clean, sharp tools, and make sure to cut just above a healthy bud. This will encourage new branches to grow. One of the best things you can do for your garden is mulching. Mulch helps retain soil moisture, suppress weeds, and keep your soil temperature stable. Organic mulches like compost, wood chips, or straw also break down over time, adding nutrients back into the soil. Spread a thick layer of mulch around your plants, but be careful not to pile it against the plant stems, as this can cause rot. Keep about an inch or two of space between the mulch and the stems. Just like us, plants need the right nutrients to thrive. Regular fertilizing ensures your plants are getting what they need to grow strong and produce healthy flowers and fruits. For vegetables and fruiting plants, use a balanced organic fertilizer. Be mindful of over-fertilizing though, as too much can harm your plants. Follow the instructions on the fertilizer packaging for the right dosage and timing. Also, remember to water your plants after applying fertilizer to help it soak into the soil. Weeds and pests, two of the biggest challenges for any gardener. Regular weeding is a must to keep your plants from competing for nutrients. Hand pull weeds when the soil is moist, as it makes them easier to remove from the roots. For pests, avoid chemical pesticides whenever possible. Instead, opt for natural methods like neem oil, insecticidal soap, or companion planting. You can also attract beneficial insects like ladybugs to keep harmful pests in check. Proper spacing between plants is often overlooked, but critical for healthy growth. Overcrowding leads to competition for water and nutrients, and increases the chances of disease spreading. Always follow spacing guidelines when planting, and if you're growing crops, practice crop rotation each season to prevent soil depletion. Rotate crops like tomatoes, beans, and lettuce to different spots each year to maintain soil health and reduce the risk of soil-borne diseases. Last but not least, don't forget about seasonal maintenance. Clear away fallen leaves, dead plants, and debris to keep your garden tidy and disease-free. Prepare your soil for the next growing season by adding compost and organic matter to enrich it. A little cleanup goes a long way in ensuring a healthy garden for the coming seasons. Plus, it gives you a fresh start for planting new crops or flowers. And there you have it. Simple yet effective tips to maintain your garden at home. With regular care, your garden will not only look beautiful but thrive year-round. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on more gardening tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy gardening!